Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a LiftMaster 890MAX Keychain remote, also known as the 3-button mini remote control. For this job, you'll need some kind of prying tool. In this demo, I'll be using the metal visor clip, but a small flathead screwdriver or anything similar you have on hand will work. Start by finding the small slots along the edge of the remote. Insert your tool into one of these slots and gently twist it until you hear a light clicking sound. If the remote doesn't open right away, move your tool around the edge and continue prying until the two halves separate. Once the remote is open, you'll spot the button battery right away. To remove it, slide the battery toward you in the direction it's designed to come out, and it should release easily. Take your replacement battery and slide it in the same way you removed the old one, making sure it sits snugly and fully in the battery latch. Now you can reassemble the keychain remote by aligning the two halves and pressing them together until you hear them snap back into place. Test the remote to make sure it's working properly. That's it! Your LiftMaster 890MAX Keychain remote is ready to be used again. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.